my project, I suppose, is going to be about early nitrogen deprivation to promote root growth, sorry, in specifically wheat plants. And so for the first off, to start off the experimental procedure, we're going to do about 15 cultivars of wheat. And for each cultivar, we're going to make it up of 2 groups. And one of the groups is going to receive like delayed nitrogen, while one group does not. And they're going to be both grown in, I believe, a greenhouse in some growth tubes. And they're going to be grown in a solution that contains all the essential nutrients. And the only difference is whether or not there's nitrogen present or not present. And then after, I'm not sure how long we're going to let them grow, but after they grow, we are going to record and measure their root growth to see if early nitrogen deprivation leads to any increases in that. And the reason we're doing that, the first goal is just going to be a quick screening to see which cultivars respond best to the early nitrogen deprivation. And we're hoping to look at the results to see if the early nitrogen deprivation, there's been some research showing that if you do it, some cultivars of wheat, the roots in it, they start to expand and search the soil more, trying to look for that nitrogen. And as a result, by doing that, the roots get bigger and they're able to absorb more nutrients. They're able to retain more water. There's a symbiotic relationship in the roots of plants with AMF fungi. I think AMF stands for arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi. And those fungi help plants obtain some more of their essential nutrients they need. And that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Eric. Questions for Eric?
Any questions?
All right, Carson. Oh, Kevin, sorry. Go for it, Kevin. Hey there.
All right. So my project is basically partitioning evapotranspiration into evaporation, transpiration, and measuring the flux of CO2 from the soil into the atmosphere and vice versa. And what's new about this is that we're attaining this set of data using field measurements from actual agricultural fields. And a lot of these measurements right now are sort of models based off of